ensure that your large electronic devices and carry-on baggage is stored in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Today is the 3rd of June 2019. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seat signs are switched off. Flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Yay, we made it! Palawan, here we come! Palawan!
Let's go! Good morning, guys! And guess what? We made it here in Palawan, one of my biggest bucket lists that I've been wanting to go here in the Philippines. Anyway, we're about to pick up our luggage and I'm excited for what's to come here in the next couple of days. And let's go! We just got our luggage. We're about to head outside and meet a friend.
Hello, nice to meet you. My best friend now. Yeah. Robinson's place, and we're about to eat lunch. It's gonna be good.
Well, we just got here and we're at the mall. It seems really cool. It's super big, and we're about to get some lunch. So I'm excited to see what they have. Super hungry because we haven't slept in like 18 hours, so we're all tired and ready to eat. So let's go.
I don't know what I ate. What did I eat? It was like red, it had chicken, peas, potatoes.
It was good?
Yeah, it was good. Are you filming?
Yeah, we're filming.
Oh, we're filming. Okay.
Guys,
let me just give you a rundown. We went and ate at the Irawan Flavors of the Fish. Had some rice, some veggies with like carrots, cabbage. Oh, hala! And then some chicken afritada, I think is what it's called. Yeah.
Afritada.
Afritada.
Whatever. Yeah.
Uncle Ray?
Lamig
Don't
kaayo.
forget about Uncle.
And now I'm tambok and busog.
Busog.
And tambok.
Me too.
Where are we going?
I think we're gonna go look around at the mall. Gonna buy some more. I wanna buy more pants like this. They're fun, only in the Philippines.
I think we're gonna get some boba, milk tea, or a smoothie because the food wasn't a lot. So, you know, Asian portion. That's why they're so little. But we're about to get some dessert. Try something healthy a little bit. Let's see what we'll find.
Thai tea boba, but they call it milk tea here in the Philippines. Everything boba is milk tea.
Berries are us. Healthy smoothie full of antioxidants. Lamig kaayo.
Room tour! Yay!
Oh, hey!
Room tour!
Didn't see you there.
What we got here?
We made it here, guys. This is the view from our hotel room. It's so pretty. If you come up here, there's a better view because there's some roofs in the way, so it's hard to see. But you see the big mountain, and then like the sunset, and then like the other big mountain that's a little bit smaller. And it's really pretty. And I'm really excited. I'm about to go take a walk to the beach and go look at it. Yeah.
Bye!
Bye!
about to grab some quick dinner here with the fam. We got some good food and I'm just gonna enjoy. This is our first day here in El Nido. We just got here about a couple hours ago and we're gonna eat. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so we just got done eating some really good dinner with the fam. We're walking towards our hotel or hostel where we're gonna stay tonight and just wait until tomorrow because we're going island hopping and all the tourist stuff that people go here in El Nido. So I'm excited for that and I can't wait till tomorrow, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys, welcome back to another day. Today is day one of our Palawan adventure here in El Nido. It's a little bit gloomy today and cloudy, but you know, we're gonna make the best of it.
Good morning. So we're going island hopping. Look at the beautiful cliffs so far and the beach. I'm really excited.
How'd you sleep last night?
Pretty good. Apparently a thunderstorm. I didn't wake up. I guess I'm a heavy sleeper.
Excited?
I'm so excited.
So excited to see the lagoon.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Awesome pictures.
And like swim in the blue water. Oh, yeah, it's exciting. We'll update you guys later. Tune in.
Short briefing for the island hopping. So today your tour is ENC combination tour, right? So we're going to first Hidden Beach, second Matinloc Shrine, third destination Secret Beach, the fourth destination Secret Lagoon, and also that's our lunch area. After the Secret Lagoon, so we're going to Big Lagoon, and also our last stop Papaya Beach.
Alright guys, so first stop here is Hidden Beach. It's actually around the corner over there. But we're gonna switch to the GoPro and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Secret Beach. It's a secret, but so I can't tell you guys where it's at.
We'd have to kill you if we told you where it was.
Yeah, that's why it's a secret. Anyway, going back to the GoPro. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So we made it here at another secret beach, secret lagoon. They're all secret actually, so you have to come here to see the beauty of this island. It's really beautiful and nice, man. All these cliffs and all this stuff, man. Anyway, Going back to the GoPro again. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, we're about to grab some quick lunch here. Some really good food here at the beach.
See you tomorrow.
Man, I'm hungry, man. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so that side over there is the big lagoon. I just flew the drone so you guys can see it, but you know, I didn't get to go over there, but I saw it from above.
So my favorite thing in the world about the Philippines is the dogs, and this dog is special because she's fishing, and I've never seen a dog here fish. All the dogs on the beach just like beg for food, but this one is an independent woman and she's getting her own food. Look at her, she's so cute. She's a fish.
What's her name or his name?
We're gonna call
It's
his. We're gonna call him
Tintin.
Tintin! Tintin! Tintin!
You know what that means in Bisaya?
Yeah, I know what that means in Bisaya.
What is it?
I can't say. Explicit content only. Tune into the other vlogs to find out. We are at Papaya Beach. It's called Papaya because there's so many papayas here. Personally, I don't really like papayas, but it's okay because it's a pretty beach and there's a pretty view and there's lots of trees.
Alright guys, so we just got whooped. Well, we didn't get whooped, but you know, we lost playing basketball, but it was fun, definitely fun. I haven't played basketball since like a couple of weeks ago in Jimenez, but I had a lot of fun playing with the locals. I couldn't get used to the rim and the sand. We're playing the sand, so that was kind of hard too. But I'll be back like the next couple years, and I'll be back at this beach here in Papaya, and I'm gonna get that dub, I'm gonna get that win. Anyway, we're about to head home. This wraps up our island hopping. As far as location, I don't know what we're gonna do, eat probably, I don't know where we're gonna eat. But the island hopping has been fun, great to experience. I finally get to say that I've been to Palawan and all this famous spot that, you know, I've been wanting to come since, you know, forever. What do you think, Uncle Dan? How's your experience?
Man, can't compare it to anything. Next to heaven.
Yes, absolutely. Peace. So we finally made it here, back on land in our hotel. It's been fun. The island hopping was great. Great to see all these islands. It was amazing, man. Can't wait to edit this and show you guys how amazing this place is. You guys need to come here in ELNIDO, Palawan and experience it yourself, because I guarantee that you won't regret it. Anyway, we're gonna change up because we're all soaky, wet.
Are you soaking wet? Where?
Yeah, I'll just see you guys later.
Magandang umaga, maayong buntag. Today we're at
Nakpan.
so close. Nakpan Beach. And there's a really pretty view. As always, it's so beautiful here. And we're just here for a few minutes before we go to Puerto Princesa. We have a flight back to Cebu tomorrow, and then we're gonna go to Jimenez after that. It's a little cloudy today, but we're gonna make the most of it. I think we're gonna do a little skimboarding, some swimming. It finally stopped raining, so that'll be fun. Enjoy this view. Look at it.
Para easy, so easy.
Good morning, guys. Today is our last day here in Palawan. We're currently here in Puerto Princesa. Just stayed here for one night before we head home and end this Palawan trip, family trip here. It's been fun. It's great to experience all this bucket list that I've been wanting to go, and I can finally say that I've been here in Palawan. It's been a great experience. Anyway, we're about to head to the airport here in a couple minutes or so. If you guys haven't followed me on my Instagram, my Snapchat, make sure you guys follow me on those social media platforms or on Facebook, so you guys can see the behind the scenes before this vlog or this video gets uploaded. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end the vlog right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys know what to do, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Peace.